In front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2016, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then go to the settings, and now access developer options. If you do not have developer options on, if you didn't unlock them, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options and then smoothly enter them. Now look for the demo mode right here, click on it, and you can smoothly activate it by tapping on enable demo mode. And then if you'd like to show it, click here. So this is it, that would be all. Then obviously you can deactivate it the same way, smoothly by tapping here. So this is it, that would be all, so you can activate and deactivate demo mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.